Now, today I'm going to talk about both org mode and the importance of having your own website. Now, if you follow my content, then I talk quite a lot about org mode, Emacs, and having your own website. And I always try to mention the indie web philosophy, where the idea is to keep everything on your own website. And recently, I made a video on having just a simple HTML site, and I think that is a great start. Now, today I want to share a small story. It won't be a long video, but I just wanted to talk about it. Now, I have always maintained notes of the work that I have done, whether I was working for other clients or doing something for my own, if I'm learning something, if I'm maybe um, trying to learn a new technology, for example. Now, these notes were always in some digital form, although I always keep some kind of notebook with me, because there is nothing like writing on a piece of paper. But I have this habit of maintaining notes uh, where I rely on my notes as my secondary brain. And when you have these notes somewhere in a digital format, especially in a text format, so even before I started using org mode, I always had most of my notes in simple plain txt files. So I used to, of course, write a lot. And very early in my professional career, I think it was in early 2000s, when I realized that no, I don't really need to store anything in proprietary format, and I never really used uh, Word or Excel a lot. I mean, I used them, but not really for my own personal needs. So, for example, if I am learning, let us say, PHP, I mean, I did spend a lot of time learning PHP. I bought books, and I made, of course, a lot of notes. It was all in text files. And the advantage of text files is that you can search. Now, today I'm going to talk about Jira. So, if you know me, apart from, of course, doing things on Linux, Emacs, or mode, I have, and of course, Drupal, by the way, because I'm also a Drupal developer, but I have expertise. This is what I feel, because this is what I do for a living. I am an Atlassian consultant. I do this for living, and I have done this for many years, along with, of course, Drupal. So when I was in Delhi, I was running my own company. I was providing consultation services and development services around Drupal, but at the same time, I was also doing the same thing for Jira. And I have written few books uh, on Jira, and my very first book was Mastering Jira 6. So this was not the very first book that I wrote. In fact, I have written a book on VBA programming, because I had a lot of macros lying somewhere on my computer, and one day I realized maybe I should write a book about it, because I can maybe help others. And I did try teaching others. I tried doing corporate trainings uh, for uh, other companies, where I help them get the most out of Excel by automating things. And I've also worked with chartered accountants, because they do a lot of things in Excel, and they rely on Excel. Excel is their main tool. And after writing the very first book that I wrote was on Excel VBA, which I never really published, by the way, and I feel bad about it. But I wrote a book, and I almost published it. The second book I wrote was on Drupal, and that book I did publish on Amazon. It was not really a great book. In fact, quite bad, but I did write it. And then, of course, I was contacted by my publisher, Pact Publishing, and they asked me to write a book on Jira. And all this happened because I had this habit of writing. Because anything that I was doing, I was writing about it. I was writing blog posts. I was writing. I was making my own notes. For example, how to install Jira, how to do this in Jira, how to do that in Jira. So I had plenty of notes already. So when my publisher asked me, so my publisher contacted me because I had a good presence online, and I think in 2013 when Jira was picking up. So Pack is actually very good in finding new authors. They are always looking for people who can write books for them. So of course, I'm sure they did a Google search, and I was on Google or other search engine platforms. So they found me, and they found me because I had a website. So again, going back to so I'm trying to connect things, make a lot of notes, keep your notes in text format so that you can not only search whenever you have to, but you can also easily convert them to blog. And again, if you're using org mode in Emacs, then you have a great system to organize your notes as well. So when I switched to org mode, I think I unleashed the potential of note making, and that really helped me a lot. And when my publisher contacted me to write a book, it was actually just a matter of formalizing my notes that I had on my computer. I just of course wrote a book out of it. And when I wrote one book, after writing my first book, I of course got a lot of attention. This book was actually very popular. Then I wrote a second one, and writing second one was actually very easy because it was just an update of the previous one. And then I of course wrote one more book called where is it, Jira Quick Start Guide, which was on Jira Cloud. And I also made a couple of video courses, and I made those video courses because I was already making YouTube videos. And I'm trying to connect things together. And this video is not just about one thing; it is about multiple things. So this is more like a career advice, and this is what I'm trying to do on my channel. I'm trying to share whatever I know, and things that I think help me a lot in getting better in doing my job, organizing my work. And I do a lot of things, and when I do a lot of things, I have to make sure that I have a system. I use the right tools to finish my work on time with great quality. People who I know people who would spend maybe 3 months or 3 weeks, and I can literally do that thing in hours because I always prefer using, of course, tools that will let me automate things. And again, I'm going back to Linux, shell scripting, and using terminal-based applications because when you're using these tools, you have a way to connect things together. You have a way to when you're working on Linux, you have this capability. You have this way of customizing it the way you need. Because when I'm doing something on my computer, I have shortcuts assigned that will let me do things very quickly and easily. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. And when you have the things that will enable you to work efficiently and quickly, it will help you directly in your career. For example, I was able to write books that really gave me or my career a great push to achieve even bigger things. And yeah, that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. And by the way, I will also be posting this on my podcast because I think this particular post is eligible to be a podcast as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.